Hey guys, Serge and Dmitry, we're filming Billionaire's Mind vlog. And a little info about us, last year we made $10 million and it's a purely online business. And we travel a lot, we meet a lot of different people, a lot of entrepreneurs. And during this trip in India, we came to Panchakarma to heal our bodies, to re-energize. And we met the Indian billionaire.
The name of the guy is Abdul Salam. He is one of the richest guy in India.
He has 5 brothers and that's a purely family business. He has a hospital which is free for his employees. He has a place where people get fed, so hungry people unemployed can come and they get food. And he has a lot of such charity projects.
All of his businesses are very ecological. They're with soul and something more than just business. Even our Ayurveda center, which is located as a separate island, it's full of soul and special relations to guests. So let's find out how he's making this soul in the business.
Hello.
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 Hello. Yes.
That's Mr. Abdul Salam. He is the owner of the factory. There are 6 brothers who are the owner of this factory in Rajah clinic. So they produce more than 400 Ayurvedic medicine made by traditional recipes from 5,000 years ago.
And this all was starting from the Mr. Abdul Salam childhood, when his mom was treating him and his brothers and sisters with Ayurvedic medicine. And when mom became older, they started to think what to do next. When mom already old, they need to transfer tradition, so they created this plant. Let's go and see what is here.
Yes. Okay. Wow.
Special wood for the...
Special wood. It is written in the book. That firewood we are using for this.
Wow.
So it will make some temperature, different temperature. So that firewood we are using for this. That medicines that is in the book.
This is what we are drinking in the morning.
Yes. Like this.
Делают аюрведические вина, они настаиваются определенное время, и врачи раз в неделю проверяют состояние брожения и на каком-то этапе останавливают, и препарат готов.
This is special, like something like...
That sand. That's the sand.
Yes.
We put in the sand.
So it's a special for you?
Yeah, special. Not for us. Something will make the traditional way.
Yeah.
Because previously, all vessels that is made out of mud.
Глиняные горшки, которые...
Some special medicines will make in that way. Even some special medicines for the firewood, we are using this special firewood.
В традиции аюрведы принято молиться во время того, как препарат готовится. И вот специальный человек, он подходит к каждому препарату, и в течение дня он молится около разных сосудов. Чтобы вот эта вибрация проникла внутрь трав, и препарат оказывал не только физическое, но еще духовное воздействие на человека.
Это сироп лечебный.
Come, taste.
Иду пробовать.
You taste. You can taste. You?
Нам в течение дня дают 3-4 раза в день разные таблетки, травы и сиропчики. И вот этот сиропчик мне дают на ночь. Вот прям в такой же форме.
Здесь травы, которые варятся в течение 2 дней, отвар уваривается, потом он сушится, из него делаются таблетки. Это для опорно-двигательного аппарата, для слабых костей, для слабых мышц.
I'll show you. This is the skin of the tree. This is the skin of the tree. Skin. This is a medicine.
А это дерево используется при кожных заболеваниях. Тоже из него варят траву, препарат определенный. Когда материал приезжает на фабрику, его сначала в лабораторию сдают, потом его покупают, из него готовят, и перед тем, как выпускать на рынок, тоже сдают в лабораторию. Но главное не только это, главное то, что есть очень много клиник по всей Индии, где проводят исследования, как, допустим, в данном случае вот этот препарат будет влиять на человека.
Now he is taking one item. Item means one medicine ingredients. He will show you how he is taking. This is another ingredient, that one. So we will mix all this and drying, cooking. After that, the essence will come.
So, but you sell it mostly in your clinics, or
Yeah,
also
clinic.
only
For our own purpose, we are manufacturing, not for the
purpose of
outside.
your family,
Yeah,
or for the
family.
purpose of your
Yeah,
clinic?
yeah. Clinic.
So let me retell it. When you was young, your mom was treating you by Ayurveda, but she was taking components, cooking it, and feeding
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
And 30 years ago, when your mom became older, you understand that you need to do something like more serial, because when mom's pass away, you need somebody to continue treating.
We children are enjoying. Now we thought we have to explain. Nowadays the Ayurveda, it is not transfer the knowledge.
Okay, so
The
how many-
English medicine, whatever will transfer everything. This Ayurveda won't transfer. That is the main problem. So we want to expose our own things.
How many types of medicine do you produce?
400.
400 right now?
Oh, yeah, right now.
No, but you said you started with 430 years ago.
30 years ago, not 400.
not
Only
400.
few.
Only few.
Only
by step you
regular need medicines we are manufacturing. Now we increase. Still we are our research is going on. This much will do. Like this. This is good for digestion. How is
This is good like wine, good sweet wine.
Yes.
This is nearly 10 ingredients.
То есть специальная трава используется для того, чтобы дать ее коровам, которые потом дают молока, из которого делают ги, это топленое масло, и в нем варят большое количество трав, и, соответственно, это используют на производстве при изготовлении различных препаратов.
So if we are getting outside milk, everything is disturbed. On this pure milk we are using for medicine. Now I'll tell you about my father's style of management. He was a poor man. His father don't have his own house. In that condition, he worked hard. He himself is a beady roller. First, he brought a stopwatch in that time. Then he made beadies and counting how much time it will take, and that way he developed. One man can make 8 hours 1100 beadies. He will make 2000 beadies. Same time, first what he had done, he started with this raw material business. He is doing his own beadies and sell that business. So the other persons will buy the raw material from him.
So he was producing raw materials for business companies.
Yeah. Not companies, individual persons. In that time,
individual
there is no brand and
Ah,
each man is making and selling. That is the style. No brand. Then he gone to Sri Lanka.
Uh-huh.
Then he started own business, this
Big
beading.
business.
Then one of his friend advised, in this way you can't improve. You have to make a brand. So in that time, one person has made all the things, these tissues, wrappers, everything. That business he dropped. So that fellow want to sell this. So very cheap rate he got all these materials. That name is Rajah.
Rajah.
So he actually bought the plant for beady production, right?
Yes, yes,
Which was called Rajah.
Rajah, Rajah.
Yeah.
See, in my pocket, I am having money. If I give to you, then it is mine.
And this philosophy is your father's philosophy, or this is religion, philosophy, and faith?
Religion philosophy is a blind believer. His policy is entirely different from others, different from other business community.
Yeah, your brother, your youngest brother, show us a picture where he was with his managers.
Yeah, that also I don't think it is from his. Some God's grace is there.
It's blessing.
Yeah. In my father's history, there is a story. He is having a general manager. That general manager, he is giving the percentage of the company profit. Then that manager one day he called Modalali. Modalali means boss. In our language, Modalali. He is giving more money. So after a few years, the money is, there is no value, is going down. Suddenly that person is shocked because he only knows wherever the office, wherever the staff, everything. Then father tell him, I am giving money for 24 hours. If you have some own business, you will spend 1 minute or 2 minutes.
So finally, this manager came back.
Until that, he is working with us.
And you have many businesses.
Yeah.
And you manage to operate them all. So
Yeah.
that's really hard for like.
No, I don't feel like that.
But how do you do it?
See,
So for example, you want to start a new business.
yeah.
So what are your steps? You hire really top manager?
Always the manager is there. Then same time we also involved. These people are also involved in all business.
All your brothers.
All the brothers, sons, everybody. That
So
is
you
the
have a
thing.
lot of money.
Yeah.
But normally you're all sitting.
But we won't interfere in that things. We tell this chief general manager. He will direct the other persons.
So you are just you are the owner, not manager.
Not manager. We are giving guidelines. We know everything. Each second they are calling us.
How you manage your energy? Like you already.
See, with pleasure I am doing this. It's a hobby for me. Yeah.
So where did you get energy for all this activity?
That's God's gift.
Gods or Ayurveda?
Yeah, every year I used to take Ayurveda.
Every day?
Every year.
Every.
Every year. Panchakarma every day. What else do you do for energy? Like, do you pray every day?
Yeah.
5 times a day?
For 4:30, I'll start prayer.
4:30 in the morning. So you wake up at 4?
Yeah, 4:30,
What
Then
time?
you go to bed, to sleep.
9 o'clock.
9. And what is your view about the future of India? Like we was discovering the GDP of the country. It's growing.
Yeah, India is a population is very high, no? So anyway, it will go up only. It won't go down.
And does Indian
So,
government,
so many brains, it won't go.
does
The
Indian,
God will bless us.
does Indian government help entrepreneurs?
No, government, whatever maybe, God is there.
God helps.
God help us.
Okay, Mr. Abdul Salam, thank you very much. Bless God your business and you. Cheers. Today we came to Abdul Salam and Abdul Rafiq.
Rafiq.
Yeah, they're brothers, and he's the older now, the youngest. They have 15 years different, but they have passion and hobby on vehicles. Abdul Rafiq, he created this motorbike. It took 6 months to create it from the scratch, and now they are planning to make it serial production. And Abdul Salam, he has over 100 antique automobiles. So now we'll drive and share with you our experience. Let's go.
Yes, okay.
Is this real mileage?
Yes. Yes.
Rolls Royce.
Yeah, this I brought from London.
England.
London.
London.
England, yeah. Only one car I imported. All the rest of the cars from India. See, this is 1933.
33.
Yeah. This is
Chevrolet as well.
yeah, shower.
That one is older.
Yeah. This is 1945.
45.
45. This previously this is owned by one king.
King.
Yeah.
Indian king.
Indian king, not this Maharashtra. Other state, Kolhapur king. He owned by Kolhapur king. That is from General Motors, Chevrolet.
One more
The
Chevrolet.
name Fleet Master.
Sweet Master.
Yeah, it is written here,
Uh-huh.
Fleet Master. Those days, this is a very popular car.
What is the year?
This is 45.
45. This is the Kaja Motors company.
Rajah Motors.
Yeah, this is from Abdul Salam family. Experiment to produce this.